Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the Patriot Bank mobile banking app experience. As someone who relies heavily on mobile banking, I've spent a lot of time using the Patriot Bank app, and I can tell you exactly what makes for the best experience. It really boils down to three core areas: speed, security, and smart use of features. First, let's talk about speed and ease of use. I value being able to get in and out quickly. The app lets me use biometric login, like fingerprint or facial recognition, which is a massive time saver. Instead of typing a password every time, I'm logged in securely in less than a second. Once I'm in, the main dashboard is clean and easy to read. I can see all my account balances immediately without digging through menus. When I need to transfer money between my checking and savings accounts, it's just a few taps, quick, intuitive, and no confusion. Second, security is non-negotiable. My favorite feature here is card controls. If I misplace my debit card, I don't have to panic or call the bank right away. I can simply open the app and instantly disable the card. When I find it later, I turn it right back on. This control, along with setting up real-time transaction alerts for purchases over a certain dollar amount, gives me a huge sense of security. If anything unusual happens, I know about it instantly via a push notification. Finally, you maximize the experience by using the power features. The mobile check deposit is a game changer. I simply snap a picture of the front and back of the endorsed check, hit submit, and I'm done. No trip to the ATM or the branch. I always write for mobile deposit only on the back, just to be safe. I also highly recommend using the bill pay feature to automate your recurring payments. You set it up once, and the app takes care of the rest, ensuring you never miss a due date. This automation saves time and helps keep your credit score healthy. In summary, the best experience with the Patriot Bank app comes from leveraging the biometric login for quick access, utilizing card controls and alerts for top-tier security, and taking advantage of mobile deposit and bill pay to manage your money efficiently on the go. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.